Tired of staring at a chaotic calendar filled with outdated events? Let's declutter. First, locate and tap the calendar app icon on your iPhone's home screen. It's the one with the current date displayed on it. Once the app opens, you'll see your calendar. Navigate to the specific day or event you wish to remove. You can scroll through the months or use the search function if you remember the event's name. Tap on the event you want to delete. This will open the event details screen. Scroll down to the very bottom of the event details screen. You'll find the delete event option. It's usually in red. Tap on delete event. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your decision. It will usually say something like delete this event. Tap delete event again to confirm. Alternatively, if it's a recurring event, you might see options to delete only this event or all future events. Choose the option that best suits your needs. And just like that, the event is gone from your calendar. Repeat these steps for any other outdated or incorrect events you want to remove. Regularly cleaning up your calendar helps you stay organized and on top of your appointments and commitments, making your life just a little bit easier.